lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back, and today I'm gonna be doing another Valentine's mani tutorial for you guys. So I hope you guys have fun, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I have on my nails. So I have a pink base, and if you're wondering what this pink color is, this one is Fancy Gloss. And I will try to see if she's still making this color or not. This is a thermal one, and it's called the Princess Returns. For this tutorial, I will be using this plate. This is from AliExpress, and I will look for the link, see if they still selling it. Now it's a beautiful plate. As you guys can see, it's all about love and some angels. So I might use one of these angels. I don't know yet how I'm gonna do it, but if I use one of these angels, it's gonna be reverse stamping, so it's gonna look really cute. And I want to use the love letters. I still haven't decided which ones, but I will use probably these ones right here. I might do like a reverse stamping on those two. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'll be using my AliExpress stamper, clear stamper. I'll probably use another one just because I might need a couple, and I'll be using black and white stamping polish, or maybe just one of them. I don't know, I'm not sure yet. So I have my cotton cloth with some acetone already, so I can clean my plate. And I'll be using 100% acetone, just in case anyone wondering. I already have my scraper ready. I'll be using my Beauty Big Bang scraper that I love. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. If I decide to use some glitter on this, I'll probably use this loose glitter with some foil glue. So this is just regular polish, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Hey guys, so this is how my mani is looking right now. It looks really cute. I really like it. Now I want to do something on my thumb, so I wanted to use these letters because they're bigger letters, so they're gonna look great. Now this right here I am touching, and as you guys can see, is it's not like completely dry, but I don't see my fingerprint, so that's telling me it's ready. Now when you do reverse stampings a lot, you get to learn when to actually stick it on your nails. Now if you don't know, you can just let it dry completely and use and apply some of this Wet n Wild or any brand, I guess, just clear polish, not the top coat, because the top coat will dry really fast. Now and then you can just go ahead and peel it like a sticker. Now since I've been doing this for a while, like I already know when to actually apply it to my nails, but I want to use some glitter on this. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of glue, and I do have a fan right here that I can use, so it can dry pretty fast. So let me just go ahead and use my fan, and basically I'm just, I just want to add a little bit of glitter just to make my nail look so much better. And this is ready. Let me just go ahead and turn off this little fan. I got this little fan from Walmart, just in case you're wondering. And let me just grab some of this glitter. And this is something I want to do. You don't have to do this. So that's how it's gonna look. And then I'm gonna apply this right here in the middle. And it's gonna look awesome. How pretty that is. I really love that. Now when you top coat, make sure you barely touch your reverse stamping or your stamping, because sometimes you can actually the top coat can actually smear whatever you put on your nails, whatever you stamp on your nails. Now I'm barely touching the nail, but once this is dry, you can go ahead and apply another coat. Now let me just show you. I just smear part of the E, and that's why I'm telling you, like, barely touch your reverse stamping or your stamping polish. But that's how my mani looks. What do you guys think? I think it's so cute. The only thing left, I need to apply some oil, because when you use 100% acetone, your cuticles get really dry. So that's what we're gonna do. Let me just move this out of the way. And here I have some cuticle oil, and that's gonna make your mani look so much better, because dry cuticles don't look good at all. But I really love this mani. What do you guys think? So yeah, this is another Valentine's mani, really easy. Now let me just remind you guys don't have to have the same plates. I know you guys probably have something pretty close, and you guys can create your own mani. I'm just giving you ideas of what you guys can do. So this is my second Valentine's mani, and I really like it. It's super cute. So I will leave some pictures at the end of the video, and I hope you guys like this tutorial. Yeah, you guys, so don't forget to like. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye, you guys. Bye.